Hello, my name is Sedonah Sunn, and welcome to my art studio. I'm so thrilled to be a part of this HeartH music, sound, healing, art festival that's a global experience, and it's amazing that technology can bring us together at this time. So my processes in art are basically creations that come to me, and I'm going to share how I turn them into reality. I paint for myself. I also paint for other people to help them manifest their dreams. I was going to talk later on about yoga, Kundalini yoga, and prosperity that can come through that. And I'll also be infusing the festival with some sound healing from the angelic sound of the harp. And it just takes you into a place of peace and balance. So this is just a little sample of what's to come. You can find me at manifestingart.com and see me this weekend at the HeartH Festival. Sunn.